Hey, what's up everyone? Today we're back with another video on the Crown Victoria. Today we'll be doing a video on the hidden features that your Crown Vic may have. This Crown Vic here is an 05. Take a quick walk around. As you guys take a look at it. Needs to be washed. We'll get to that another day. Been a little rainy. Like I said, some Crown Vics have hidden features on the inside, so that's what we're going to be getting to today. Alright, let's get to it. So with that being said, what I mean by hidden features is like buttons or controls that you may have in your Crown Vic, but you don't see them. So if you take a look, if you notice I don't have any buttons right here or anything. What's going on around? We got one right there. Everybody know what that is if you have a Crown Vic or know anything about them. That's a trunk button. That's for the airbag. But other than that, I don't see anything else. So now I'm shooting this video to show you guys. So if you don't have these buttons, you can check it out and see if your Crown Vic may have them. So we're gonna start with the left hand side right here. We're gonna pull that panel back and let's get started. All right, like I said, as you see, this is no buttons right there. And this is a matching piece, so this is the original piece. So we're gonna pop that off. If you can't pop it off with your hand, you can use a flathead screwdriver. Make sure you be careful not to damage anything or scratch it up, but that's up to you. All right, now what do we have here? If you notice, we have two controls, well, two wiring harnesses going right here and right there. So apparently you have two buttons that can be right here. So now I don't know exactly what these two go to, but I know you have like traction control and you have the adjustable pedals. So apparently that might be what they go to. So on another video I end up getting a let me unplug this real quick. Okay, we have that unplugged. All right, so what I'm gonna do on another video is I'm gonna buy another panel like this with the controls already in it, and then we'll see what those go to. Might have to look it up online also, but it definitely, like I said, those two hidden features that your Crown Vic may have. Now you might be wondering, why doesn't the panel have the buttons for it? Well, a lot of police departments like to take the cheap way out and order less features on the car. That saves a little money. So Ford already has a car wired for all these features, so instead of just saying, okay, you have those features, they hide them, you know, and then they just provide this plain panel without the buttons on it. So that's that part. So let's put that back together real quick and get to the next part. Make sure you put that back same way you found it without breaking it. All right, so we're gonna move on around to the middle part. Now usually you have, you know, the one trunk button right here, or you may have it on the door panel, which is right there. Mine has it in the middle. All right, so behind this piece also you may have another wiring harness, which this right here, that will go into this right here. So you got two wiring harnesses, maybe. And the way it works is one of them is set like automatically to pop the trunk with the car off. The other one is set to only pop the trunk with the key in the car with it on. So that's how that works. I would pull this off, but this one is a little bit more trickier to put back together. So I'm gonna leave that on there, but that just, you know, you might have extra wiring harness for the trunk, and that like I said, one is for with the car off and one is for with the car on, and that's your choice. All right, but like I said, those are some of the features. Now also, a lot of people I know don't have cruise control. Now no, you don't on the steering wheel have any hidden buttons or controls, but you can look up under your hood and see if you have the cruise control set up. And then that way, all you have to do is buy a new steering wheel piece right here. And should be able to plug right in. Possibility. But other than that, those are some of the hidden features. Also, I have seen Crown Vics that have the they have like a switch that'll be located somewhere around this side or on the other side of the steering wheel, and that controls the gear shift. And if it's off, it won't allow you to put the car in drive or actually take it out of park at all. You know, with it on you can, so that's like another, but I think that's like an add-on feature. But like this right here, these wires behind here, those come from the factory. Like I said, you may or may not have those in your Crown Vic. I know this is an 05 model, so if you have one that is around this year, it's a possibility that you can have that. So you guys let me know what you think. If you know any hidden features or hidden buttons on the Crown Vic, leave it down in the comment and I'll check it out. Other than that, let me know what you think about the video. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and until next time, we are out of here.